Hello and welcome to the Counterman Education Center. Today we're going to talk about an issue that can be a safety issue, but it's also a productivity issue if you happen to be working on vehicles or underneath them. We've got Eric here today, and Eric, why don't you tell us about the differences between a floor jack and a bottle jack and the old bumper jacks and how they all get used?
Well, Scott, yeah, it's a great topic. And really what it comes down to, as you said, is productivity and safety. You know, the old bumper jacks and even the little pinch weld jacks that come with a car that has a spare tire, those are really just temporary roadside use types of jacks. You have to be really careful when you're using them because they're just really not stable at all. You have to be super careful to stay away and obviously never get under the car with, without jack stands or anything like that. So that's all those are for, just for changing a flat tire. In the shop, we use roll around hydraulic jacks, big handles. They have a capacity to lift anything, whether it's cars, trucks, so they support the weight and they work quickly. You know, a few pumps of the handle lifts the car right up and then you can get to doing the work you need to do. Bottle jacks, those are more for light duty work. Like maybe jacking up, supporting a suspension component while you're doing front end work, changing a ball joint or checking a ball joint, something that's a bottle jack is small, you can set it on the lift, you can get it right into your work area where you're not having to hoist up a huge hydraulic floor jack to do it. Bottle jacks are also used in like hydraulic presses. It's the motivation, the power for a hydraulic press for many of them.
Okay.
So just a few different styles. Comes to size, or comes down to the size, what you're doing, the application, and how much you need it to do. I mean, it can be a 1-ton jack, a 2-ton jack, a 15-ton jack, how much work you need it to perform.
And always with jacks or with any other safety feature, eye protection, jack stands, gloves, all the safety features that you need.
Absolutely.
All right, thank you very much for being with us, and we'll see you next time here on the Counterman Education Center.